bless you. Thank you.
When we sneeze, we can spread germs to people around us. That's why it's important to cover our mouth and nose. Let's learn how to do it. When you feel like you need to sneeze, here's what you do. Step 1, use your elbow. Lift your arm like this. Step 2, sneeze into your elbow like this. You can also use a tissue if you want to sneeze. Great job! This way you keep your hands clean and stop germs from spreading. Remember, sneezing into your elbow helps keep everyone healthy. So let's recap. Lift your arm and bend it at the elbow. Sneeze into your elbow. Good job! Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell for more empowering videos from Mighty Nightly.